I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: Flutter SDK, Firebase CLI, and a Firebase project. Once done, add Firebase Core and Cloud Firestore to your pub spec. YAML and run Flutter pub get so packages resolve. Make sure to register your Android and iOS apps in the Firebase console and download the Google services, JSON or Google Service Info, list into your platform folders. This connects Firebase to your app. Without the config, files the app won't authenticate. After that, initialize Firebase in main, which I'll show next. Now initialize Firebase inside main by calling widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized, then await Firebase. Initialize app. This ensures plugins are ready before run app. For rights, use Firebase Firestore. Instance, collection name, doc ID, set, or add for auto ID. This gives atomic rights and merges when needed. To read, you can await get for one-time reads or listen to snapshots for real-time updates. Make sure you map documents to your models and handle null fields to avoid runtime errors. To finish, tighten Firestore security rules to grant only required access. That's why testing with the Firebase emulator suite matters, so you don't expose production data. If you update multiple documents, prefer transactions, or write batch to keep operations atomic and enable persistence for offline use. Finally, deploy rules and the app after local tests. If something breaks, reproduce in the emulator, inspect logs with debug print, and check the Firestore console rules/evaluation. That single step often reveals misconfigured paths or missing permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.